Hey everybody, welcome back to the shop for 10 more minutes of thunderchief building action. All drama free. All drama free. Can you believe it? Okay, I got that thing all polished up with that McGuire's. Man, that thing is smooth. You watch, these parts are going to fall after this mold. I'm going to lay one up just to show you. Yep, I'm going to show you. Okay, I take mold salt. I'm just going to put me a chunk of wax in there. Okay, make sure that. Do a little prime. And we're going to wax it on. We're going to wax it on. And we're going to wax it off. Hey, but how about them Cowboys? They won them a game, man. Can you believe it? But you know what I want to know? I want to know who dressed up in them Kansas City Chief uniforms and played the game. I know it wasn't the Chiefs, man. That boy was running. Reminded me of Emmett in his prime. Hit the hole, bam, gone for 80 yards. Yeah, Emmett used to do that stuff. We'll wax it on, and then we'll wax it off. What do you guys like better, the wax it on or the wax it off? And that was air show at McConnell must be going on today. I could be out there making some good videos. No, man, I gotta be in the shop. Actually, I thought it was going to rain today. I was thinking about going. But it was raining this morning. All this got to be waxed, man. We don't want no resin sticking anywhere on this tube. You know, it's just incidental drop resin. Well, there must be the Thunderbirds going. It's almost 4. Okay, it's waxed on. Whose turn is it to wax it off? Here you go. Somebody. Carrie from the Cherokee Shores Volunteer Fire Department. We'll wax this off. Cherokee Shores, Cherokee River Bottoms, something like that. I'm sorry guys, my mind's just been on Thunder Chief building action. Someone asked me if I didn't miss it. Welcome back to How to Build a B-1 Bomber. Yeah, I do. But have no fret, we ain't done with the bomber. I think Butch and them about got their project handled, and maybe by the time I get this Thunder Chief done, we'll have some bomber parts. Kind of what I'm hoping. This ain't got too much time left on this Thunder Chief, people. Hard part's done. The fuselage is almost ready to mold. The wings are almost ready to mold. Get that, the stab and the rudder. Bam, we got Thunder Chief sitting there. Saying make room for the bomber, baby. Man, that is smooth. It amazes me what that McGuire's did to that. Well, Peyton Manning sure is looking good. Well, I tell you what, that Peyton Manning is a touchdown machine. That's what Peyton Manning does, scores touchdowns. You ain't gonna stop it if you're the other team. You ain't gonna stop them touchdowns. The only thing you got hope to do is matching touchdowns. And come up with the last one. That's what Peyton Manning does. Score touchdowns. Whooped up on his brother Eli last week. Uh-oh. Listen. There's the Thunderbirds. Now, if it had been the Blue Angels, I'd have been there. I like them F-18s, man.